What's up, guys? It's Saul, and I have a pretty good pack opening, probably the best one of the year. HB Gold Fantasy. These are all campaign packs. Fullback Fantasy, tight end Fantasy, cornerback Fantasy times 2, right end Fantasy, goal tackle Fantasy, guard Fantasy, left end, center, and then we have the Elite Player, and then the Legends Fantasy pack. So, yeah. Fantasy pack, so we're gonna go with him, Chris Thompson, just because he's the highest overall. Like I said, guys, these are just worthless plaques right here. But it's an elite player in fantasy pack. It's pretty good. I don't know how good you could be a fullback. Also, I need this guy. Also, he's the Saint. And he's the highest overall. Take that. Best gold you can do. I mean, best gold you can get. Okay, a tight end fantasy pack. Here we go. See what we're gonna get. All these can go into Team Diamond, so I'm hoping for Saints players, and if not, good players. Well, let's see. Well, I don't trust the Browns whatsoever, so we're gonna stick with the Bengals here. Nice. 2 cornerback gold fantasies. And I need... Come on, give me some Saints players. Because, you know, I'm a Saints fan. That's really bad. Just 71s and a 172. Wow. Okay. I'm glad we have 2 of those. Let's see. Ooh, that's better. Ooh, a lot better. 79, Mike Hilton. Best gold, of course. Everybody knows that if you play Madden. Who we getting now? A gold right end fantasy pack. Now this is for Cam Jordan. I could use this definitely. Not that bad. No Saints. Let's go to the highest overall here. Gold tackle, left tackle, right tackle, whatever. Slow Xbox. Come on now. Let's go Xbox. Of course it's gonna happen. Bring it back. Bring it back an ultimate. I've been doing that all day. Sorry guys. It's just all messed up. Okay, here we go. Back to packs. Tackle pack. Here we go. It's working now. Give me... Oh, not bad. We're just gonna go with the highest overall because there is no Saint player. Oh, there's 2 rounds in the gold fantasy pack. Okay. Oh, it's 2. Any Saints? I've heard of DJ Humphrey, so I'm gonna go with him. Other guys, piece of crap. Doesn't really matter. Probably both gonna go down a drain. Okay, the guard position: left guard or right guard tackle. I mean, left guard or right guard. Let's see. Right guards. What are we gonna get here? Let's go with the highest overall, the Saints. Okay, left guard. Let's have to go. At least we got a highest overall gold. Gold, left end fantasy pack. Getting closer and closer to good stuff. Not a good pack, but we'll go with Eric Armstead. And now for the gold center, and then we'll get our elite player back. Now when we're going through the fantasy, I just got him. Yeah, when we're going through the Legends Fantasy Pack, I'll probably pick the Saints low overalls, the silvers and golds, just because. Let's see, I'm just gonna go Eagle Super Bowl, just something like that. Okay. And now we have an elite player campaign pack. Here we go. Should be anywhere from 80 to for Melvin Gordon. Probably end up selling him, but that's nice, not bad. Here it is, the big mother load, Legend Fantasy Pack, boys. Of course, we're not gonna get that much in the silver round. Yeah. All 63s, huh? Okay. Gold round. Can we get an elite, please? Let's get that red. Or not. No Saint. We're just gonna go with Solid Thomas, I guess. Here we go. Last round. Come on. Come on, high legend. 86. Oh, more blue, more blue. 83 and I guess we gotta go with Paul Krause here. So yeah, we really didn't get that much, but that's okay. That's it for right now. That's it for me, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.